Hello everyone, welcome and thank you for watching today's YouTube video. So today I'm excited to take you guys along with me to the Restoration Hardware outlet, also known as the RH outlet. I'm excited. I just feel so overwhelmed right now because I am currently shopping for a piece of furniture. I need 2 accent chairs for my living room. So if you guys do follow me on Instagram, you guys are able to see the previous chairs that I currently had in my living room, but they are now in my master bedroom. Reason is because during the holidays last year, we decided to place a Christmas tree in our living room instead of the foyer by the staircase. And so I just didn't want chairs. It just looked too crowded. So we decided to move them over to my master bedroom, and I just love the way they look there. So I decided to leave them there, and now we need new ones for our living room. And I'll show you guys in just a bit a little tour of my living room and get you guys an idea and let you guys know where I'm going to be placing these chairs. And this is my inspiration right here. It's just, I love a lot of different styles. I don't know what to choose. I don't know what to buy. So if I do pick up anything today, I'll go ahead and share it with you guys at the end of the video. So make sure you guys stay until the end. And then also, if we don't pick anything up, then what that means we're just going to continue shopping, going to more furniture stores, maybe the Pottery Barn outlet sometime later in the week. And so, yeah. So yeah, let me know in the comments below if you guys loved anything that you guys see at the store. We are about to head out, but let me go ahead and show you guys my living room and the section that we have, so you guys can kind of maybe help me out and see what matches and what goes well with my living room. But yeah, thanks again for watching. Give me a like if you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more upcoming videos. And again, thank you again so much for watching. All right, and here is the area where the 2 chairs will be going, one here and one there, and then I'm keeping this table in the middle. I'll probably change out the lamp depending on what style chairs I purchase. And so as you can see, my window is a bay window, so it's curved like that. So the ones I previously had on here fit in very well in these 2 corners, still leaving a lot of space here to go through between these couch and the chair. So yeah, that's where they will be going. And so as you can see, I have a lot of gray going on. I just have a thing for gray. I love gray. So I am looking maybe for some dark gray velvet chairs, maybe white ones with like some black railing, just something that's just going to match and blend in well with my current sectional that I have right here. This is a light gray, and then I have some dark gray pillows with some black accent small pillows. And so yeah, this is where I am going to be placing the chairs, and just wanted to show you guys so you guys can have an idea of where they're going to be going. Okay, and before we head out, let me just give you guys a little brief summary of what the outlet actually means and what exactly do they sell. So the outlet consists of furniture pieces that have been purchased from customers and have returned them for whatever reason. Doesn't necessarily mean that they are damaged, because they wouldn't sell damaged items. Of course, minimal, very small damages, they are going to have them there on floor. Like for example, if you bought a cabinet and it's scratched, then they'll go ahead and place it out there. But if there's a cabinet or a drawer where it's completely teared up and broken, then they are not going to have it out there for sale. It just means that maybe the customer wasn't happy with it and they don't put it back onto the main store. They bring it to the outlet for resale of a much more less of a price. And I can't afford the RH price. I am on a budget here. So that's why I'm looking at the outlet to see if I find something that fits my price range. And also what it means is that the store might have had like a new collection, let's say for like last winter, and then their new spring collection came in and they didn't sell any of these. So then they bring them out to the outlet store so customers can take a look and maybe buy them from there. So yeah, all of these items are in really good condition. And so I really hope I find something, because I really just, it frustrates me when I start shopping for furniture. I just have all these ideas and I just can't make my mind up. So yeah, so let's go ahead and get going before it gets any later. And thank you guys for coming along with me, and thank you for watching. Let's go.